Hi everyone, my name is Rubik and I welcome you to the final part of my Rubik's Cube tutorial. In this part, we are gonna flip the corners. It's the final step of the Rubik's Cube, and there are two possibilities that can occur when we were are going to flip the corners. Okay, let's start. Firstly, the case that we have is this one. The corners are on the right side, so yeah, the yellow layer, it's on the right side, and it must be on the top. So this is the first case where when the yellow layer is on the right side. And this is the second case when the yellow layer is on the front side. Okay. For flipping these edges, these corners, excuse me, where we are gonna use these both layers. So the right one and the bottom one. So since we start with this case when the yellow layer is on the right side, so we move first the right layer and then the bottom one. So firstly, it's like a sexy move, but this time we are moving firstly counterclockwise both layers. So first we are gonna move this one counterclockwise and this one too, and then clockwise. Okay, let's start. Right off, down off, right on, down off. Okay, we still don't have the corner solved, so we do it again. Right off, down off, left, right on, down on. Okay, now we solved this case where when the yellow layer was in the right side. Now we solve this case one. So we don't rotate the cube, so we move the top layer for doing the next one, which is this one. So we move the top layer for bringing this corner there, and now we have it on the front. Okay. So for this one, instead of starting with right layer, we are gonna start with bottom one, since we have a yellow layer on the front side. Yes, on the front layer. So it goes like this: down, off, right, off, down, on, right on. We still don't have a corner solved, so we do it one more time. It's like we want to insert this corner, but yeah, initially it's not like this, so we still do the sexy move that goes like this: down off, right off, down on, right on, and now it's off. We only have to adjust the top layer. And now we solved the Rubik's Cube. There are also another options that can occur when we have the third flip edges. like this one. So we just do the case where when it's on the front layer. Okay, but there are also more cases. Like this one. So we just do the case where when the yellow layers are on the right side. And this case can also happen. So actually, there are more cases which I'm not gonna show all of them, but yes. I hope that this tutorial was useful. It helped you something, and I'm delighted that I finally did this tutorial for the 50th anniversary of Rubik's Cube. Remember that case were what we did for finishing the cube. It's not the only one. There are also more cases where when we have the flip edges, and yeah, just still doing the cube, guys, and I hope to see you again. See you.